Hello everyone, welcome to CodeWithHassan. I'm really excited to have you here. And
Hello.
please, can anyone introduce himself?
Should I introduce myself?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You can open your camera if you don't mind. If you want to.
I don't have light here, shall we?
Okay, no problem. You can do it. You can do it like that. No trouble.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. My name is Jesse Ikweme. I'm glad to be among this community, and we know the reason why this community was made, to be able to learn web development. So it's a great privilege for me to be here and for us to come up as a team. So I'm hoping to bring out the best of me and then take the best from everybody so we can learn and then achieve every single thing we want. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And who is next?
Okay, good day, if I can talk.
Yes, you can.
So, good day, my name is Adam Amasari, and I'm very happy to join this group in particular, and I wish I would gain a lot from the group, and thank you for all you did.
Okay, you are welcome, Mala Adam. Amina alayka salam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Abdurrahman Muhammad by name. Actually, coding is my hobby, and I really like programming.
Okay.
I am man-stack developer, which is MongoDB, Express, React, normal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's front end. So I'm glad to be part of this community. And I wish I will get a lot of things from this community. I'm really happy to join this community, as I know Mala Hassan is one of the best developers I have ever met in my life. I really want to work with you together. I wish I will get a lot of things here with my co-members of the community. Thank you very much.
Inshallah, we will do it. And then who is next now? Amina alayka salam. Muhammad.
Good day, everyone.
Good day. How are you doing?
My name is Umar. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you for hosting this space for us, and we are here to learn from you, because I can't forget the time that I chat you in TikTok. Do you remember, sir?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, that's why I say let me use this opportunity to enter the group and start learning from you, sir.
Okay.
Coding is my hobby, and I'm looking forward to learn from you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. And I hope, inshallah, you will learn a lot of things and you will build amazing team together.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Who is next now? I think Mustafa Bello, Hannatu, and Ismail did not yet introduce themselves. Mustafa Bello. Maybe.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. My name is Mustafa Bello, a graduate of secondary school. I'm glad to be in this group, and hopefully I'll be among the best programmers and coders. Thank you, Mr. Hassan, for giving us your time.
Thank you. Now I think.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Guillermo Abdiel. I'm one of the community and glad to work with everyone. If you have any issues or any complaints, anything with anything idea, and like that, I'm just going to make it. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, we are hearing.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so actually, like I know learning how to code like through tutorial. I know like it's kind of hard because tutorials are only to start, but true learning begin when you code, fail, and try again. But tutorial, like there is kind of problem that we solve within this community. Number one is tutorial here. Many learners, even me, sometimes get stuck in what's to know as tutorial help. Endless following tutorial without real progress. So you are always watching tutorial. If you want to learn something, you will just go to YouTube and watch tutorial. If you watch that tutorial, you will end up building what your tutor builds in tutorial, but you can't build something like from your creativity. So that is what we call tutorial hell, and many people like face this kind of challenge. Even me too, many years ago I faced kind of this challenge. And number two problem that we face when we are learning coding is lack of guidance. Without proper mentorship and challenges, it's easy to feel lost, discouraged, or unsure about applying what you are learning. Like you are not challenging yourself, and you don't have any mentor that he is guiding you about what to do and how to do. So at CodeWithHassan, we offer guidance through hands-on mentorship to keep you on the right path. We have daily coding challenges. We encourage coding to we will encourage you to build consistency and confidence. And we have project-based learning. On our project-based learning, hello, so we will help you apply your knowledge and to build your portfolio. And we have a community. You guys are our community. So if someone has a problem or did not understand something, even I did not come up and tell him this is this, we have a community, and in our community there are many developers. So they will guide him. They will say, okay, this you stuck at here, you have to fix here, you have to remove this, you have to add this, your code will work. So I think that is the best way to learn how to code. That is the best way to learn like how to create. And we will do some project together, and we have daily coding challenge. You will code daily. We will have live classes weekly, and we will have weekly project, monthly project, etc. And this bootcamp, I think the duration is almost 6 months. We will do it in 6 months. So that is the problem that we are trying to solve. And our course structure. Now let's dip into the course structure of our 6-month bootcamp. First, our program is designed to massive and comprehensive guidance from beginner to competent developer in over 6 months. We have weekly interactive live session, like I told you before, where you can engage directly with me and your peers. You ask questions, receive real-time feedback. This session are a great opportunity to clarify any doubts and deepen your understanding. In addition, our live classes, you will face monthly and weekly coding challenges that will test your skill and encourage you to think critically. So in our weekly challenges, whatever we learn in this week, so we will apply it to your project. So we like for example, we are in HTML, so we learn like HTML tags, we learn many different tags. So in our weekly challenge, like we are expecting to see something like we work with HTML tags, we put like you work with video, audio, picture, etc. Like you work with that kind of tags. So in a weekly project, we want to see something like that. And we have monthly challenges. In our monthly challenges, we are expecting to see what you will learn this month. So maybe you build project, maybe someone we don't know, he will build our next Facebook, our next YouTube, etc. So
yes, of course.
And to keep you motivated constantly, we have a daily coding challenge. Who is on Snapchat? I don't know, I'm not fan of Snapchat, but many of you are on Snapchat. You know something that they call streaks. Maybe. Okay, so maybe someone knows something called streaks. So like our daily coding challenges, think of it like a Snapchat strings for coding. You will code every day, which will help you to build a strong habit and reinforce what you have learned. Many of you you have a passion for coding. Maybe years back or months back you start learning code and then you stop. So when you come again to learn, you will forget a lot of things. So when you are coding daily, like you will build that kind of habit. Sometimes even if you do not code, you feel somehow, you feel you don't do anything. So if you code daily, like you will build a habit for that. And we have support for your learning journey, and that is why we have community forum and live classes. Like we have forums and we have live and Q&A session. Here you can collaborate with fellow students and get help with your project. Finally, you will be working on personal projects that will help you build your portfolio. These projects are not just assignments, they are opportunities to showcase your skills and creativity to potential employees. Like you have an idea and you come with your idea, like we will think on how to make it live together, and you can go to build that kind of project. And if you need help, you can ask your fellow students, you can ask me, you can ask anyone, and you can ask even someone from our community to build that project that you want to build. I think with this structure, we are committed to ensure you gain the knowledge and experience you need successfully in your coding career. So in our next slide, now let's talk about what you will learn in this community. First of all, it is front-end development. You will master the essential of creating stunning websites using key technology. Like we have technology that we will use. We have HTML. You will learn how to structure your website, web pages, efficiency. So like I even last 2 months that I take some students, I tell them that building a website is like building a house. We have a lot of tools. Like we have to structure the house, we have to style it, and we have to give it the functions. So we use that HTML, we use it to structure our website. So this HTML is the first thing that we will learn in our curriculum. We will first start learning HTML. You will learn how to structure a website. Then you will come to CSS. You will cover styling techniques to make sure your page visually appealing. And then you will come to JavaScript. You will add interactive components and dynamic features, making your website come alive. Next, you will dive into back-end development. This is where you will gain strong foundation in server-side programming. So we will use PHP. Yes, we will use PHP. You will learn how to robust server-side application that power your website. And then for database, we will use MySQL. We will teach you how to manage database and securely store your data. And one of the important things many developers, when they are learning programming, forget is API. So you will understand how to connect different application and service, allowing them to communicate with each other. So we highly talk about API. By the end of this tutorial, I think 6 months class, you will have a solid skill set in both front-end and back-end development, enabling you to build full stack application. Get ready to build web from the ground up. So don't forget, this is an key technology that we are going to use, but we have some tools that we are going to use, like Git and etc. So I don't know if anyone of you have a question about what I share about my slides or anything, something like that. Please, I think it's just remain 5 minutes.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I just want to thank you very much for your time, and I know we're all eager. We all want to learn. The pros, there are a lot of beginners. There are pros to the tool, and people are familiar with many things in coding. So for me, and humble everybody, so I'm the community manager here. So if you have any question or any issues, you need quick response, you can send me a message on WhatsApp.
Yes.
Or send me a message on WhatsApp.
Yes, if you need quick response, you have to contact him. So, anyone has a question?
Yes, my question here is that for those of us that, for instance, do not have any experience on PHP, are you going to start from the beginning?
Yes, all the things that we are going that I mentioned, we are going to start it from scratch.
Okay, so that
even HTML in our first day, we are not just come up and start talking about HTML. We have to, if you want to learn web development first, you need to understand how internet works. What is even internet? What is browser? So we are going to start from scratch. You are going to like this class is just like a beginning of the end of some questions that as a web developer you have in your mind, like you need an answer.
Yes. So yes. That's great.
Yeah.
And we will be solving real life problems.
Yeah, that is why I come up with challenges. I love taking challenges when I'm learning something. If I do not take challenges, I will not be very so much serious on it. So we take a challenges. You have daily challenges, like you solve coding problems daily. Like you get stuck. Kind of these problems. Like you will build a habit of problem solving. Programming, software development is all about problem solving. So we will challenge you to solve kind of this problem.
Okay, thank you, sir. And please, when are we starting?
1st October.
Okay, we are starting 1st October.
Yes, by the grace of God.
It will be
okay. I will encourage everybody to register before we start, please.
Yeah. Okay.
I have one question, please, if I can talk.
Yes.
Should I talk?
Yes, you can.
My question is, are we going to use some materials like PDF notes or particularly a book that will help us in the site?
Yeah, we have almost 3 to 4 kind of teaching methods and content that we are going to give you. First, we have PDF, we have PowerPoint, we have video, and I think that is all. We have PDF, PowerPoint, and video.
Okay, that's good. So how
much is the registration? I think we're supposed to know.
Yes, the registration fee is 10,000.
Okay.
It is monthly, so yes.
Monthly amount.
Yes, per month.
Yes. Okay.
And sir, we can, as this is not a question, it is like a recommendation or
Okay.
an advert.
Yes.
Like I saw a notebook on 100 days of code with Python. I saw they have notebook which is specifically for development, for programmers. They will use it to judge something or like that. They will use it in learning. I don't know if you can provide it for us so that we will use it as our notebook, so that everything will be for programming.
Yeah, no problem. Inshallah, I will try my best to provide that. And thank you.
Okay.
We will talk about it inshallah later with you.
So please, I have another question.
Okay.
For we that you are students, I hope it will be like a kind of you can get time to, if you are not able to follow the class, we'll get the, at least is time that we can ask questions and have more light on what was talking about before.
Yeah, it's like the class, our class, like you can attend the class anyway and anytime that like you want. We just have 2 live sessions in a week and it is weekend, so you can attend the class in your busy time anyway.
Yeah.
The live classes is on weekend.
Okay, sounds good.
Saturday, Sunday nights. So after that live classes, all the days you can attend anytime you want.
What I mean is like, is it going to be a kind of class that person can check on it after the time, after the class has already taken place?
Yes, you can check. You can check.
Yes.
It is flexible. It is flexible. You can check. You can check.
Okay.
So, any question?
From me, no. Everything is clear.
Okay.
Yeah. Also from here, everything is clear.
Radio TV, we don't know you. Video
Everything
TV.
is clear, yeah.
Sunset.
Okay, I saw someone video TV. I just wish she or he can introduce himself, and I don't know if he has any question. So if anyone doesn't have a question, I think we are going to end the call now. And if you have some question, like you remember you have any question, you can ask in our group. And thank you so much for your time, and can't wait to see what we can create together.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Alhaj.
Okay, thank
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are glad to have you here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You are highly welcome. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day.
You too.